how to buy ewon mask token. So this token came under the symbol of ewon. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It created 7 hours ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, this token trending number 7 in this section. To be able to buy this token, we will use the Radium. Now first of all, connect your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. So after you connect your wallet, if you don't find your token here, go back to the screener and copy the token address from here and go back to Radium. Click here and paste the token address here, as you can see. So you'll be able to find your token here called A1. Click on add token, click on it again to be able to find it here. Now after that, from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive the token, as you can see. Now click on more info and read all that information here. If you are ready to go, click on stop and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy a ewon token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.